Everyone, how you guys doing? My name is Fav and thank you very much for coming to my channel. So today we are doing a Halloween makeup and I just actually tore it. So I'll just show you. It's the Deluxe family packet and I will show you as I go what I got. So I think I'm going to do this either this pumpkin or this like skull fairy, probably the pumpkin, something that's going to be a little bit easier on me. I already primed my face is clean. I'm going to take this sponge thing and I am going to apply the orange, which is this one, throughout my face. That's how, besides my eyes, mouth, and nose, I'm going to go ahead. Well, what is that? I need to cover my eyebrows. So I'm going to do one to show you and then I'll do the other off camera. So first thing you want to do is spoolie brush your eyebrows up, not down, up like that, both as high. This is so rough. As high as they can, as up as they can go, and then you're going to take your purple glue stick and put this on, pulling it up. As best, my eyebrows don't really, I don't have that much eyebrows, so they really don't stand up as much, but as much as you can. And now I'm going to do the other side just to save some time, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put 2 coats on my eyebrow. I'm sorry I forgot to film when I did. I put the banana powder on top. Oh no, I put the banana powder on top, but I went ahead and put the banana powder on top, the Revolution banana powder. Everything that I am using will be on the description bar below. And when you put the powder on, you want to press on it so it could adhere to the glue, and it feels pretty tight. Let me move my phone. Phone, you can go right here. All right, so now that is put, I am going to conceal them just a little bit with foundation, just a very light foundation. So the orange, I'm going to use this. So I was going to throw away after the Halloween season. This is it's old. I know it's old because it feels so old. This is the MAC. The MAC N45 Studio Sculpt foundation. I'm going to take that on this. I'm not using my beauty blender for this. Definitely not using my beauty blender. I definitely need more. I'm actually going to squirt out on here. It looks so frothy, so I know it's expired. And it's so sad. I barely used it. Barely used it. And I know it was not cheap. So basically you are concealing it with the foundation. This is the same way I did my drag, and I had mixed reviews with some people that I know when they saw the drag video I did. Most did not like it. Don't know why. A lot of people did not like it. Okay. Now I just want to powder it just a tad bit. Doesn't really matter what powder I'm going to use because this is, well, I'm going to just go with the one I can reach, which is my Maybelline Fit Me 355 powder. Take my brush and just like powder it so it could set. not for anything else. I just want to set it. This one seems like it's peeking through a little bit more. Okay, so now that is covered. Now I want to go with this orange, and let's see how this orange do. Oh wow, this is like very, it's going to take forever. This is going to take forever. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this all over my face, and you can barely even see it on camera, but I will be right back. Alright, so I am back. Hopefully I changed some lighting around so you guys could see the orange, because I wasn't able to notice it at first with all those lights on. So I actually took quite a bit of the paint off. It is a grease based, so it glides on very, very easily. I just hope it comes off easily. Also, I'm hoping that it's not going to, well, it doesn't stain I thought it was going to stain my skin, but so far it has not stained my skin yet, but definitely stained my brush. I don't know if the color will ever come off of this brush, but yeah, I might just have to kiss this brush goodbye. I really don't use it as much anyway. Alright, so next, actually, for the colors, I did use the orange, and then it wasn't orange enough, so I had to mix the red and the yellow to make a little bit of orange. Now, I'm going to make the eyes. What was that? I don't know what that was. So I'm going to take this. All right, this is the pencil, and I'm going to carve out the eyes. And I'll do one on camera, and then the other one most likely I'm going to do off of camera. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I will definitely fix it. I'm contemplating, oh, there's black right here. So let's fill this in real quick before, I'm just going to take my finger, just rub it in the black and stipple it on your eyebrow. My phone is just buzzing. This is definitely not dark enough, especially if I was going anywhere. This is definitely not dark enough. I apologize for the lighting that I have. It's just, this is for temporary until I'm able to figure out how to get my lighting the way it needs to be. Okay. Let's take the brush and actually and I already look like I have raccoon eyes to begin with, so this is definitely just gonna make it look. I'm gonna definitely add details to it, like they have it on here. Oh wait, guys, please, please. Hope that this is not gonna stain my eye. So I'm going to do the other eye and add a little more detail, and I'll be right back to save some time. Alright, so I am back. So this is what I have so far. I made these little stripes going down. Not making them perfect or anything, just making it look different. I don't want it to look exactly like the picture on there, and I'll show you the picture in just a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off again. And the wipes I'm using is the wipes that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm actually really liking these ones because they're not that thick, so they're able to like make when you put your finger in here like that, like to make it to be like a sharp with your nail, so you can get an easier clean. My teeth look so white. So I'm going to just finish cleaning this up real quick, and then I'm going to finish putting the orange. All right, everything is off of that. Take the orange, the remaining orange. Good thing I didn't use it all because I was about to use it all. And then now fill in the orange. The orange is not that bright. It looks very bright on here, but it's not that bright. I'm just hoping and wishing you guys could see this, because if you guys can't see it, I'll be really upset. Some more orange. And this cream actually cleans up very, very nicely. It really, really cleans up very, very, very nicely. I'm gonna go ahead with my ears, with my Q-tip, and do these ones over here. But it's not it doesn't blend out very smoothly. That I could tell you. It does not blend out very smoothly, and this says a family pack. I don't understand how this is gonna be a family pack. Maybe I just have a big old head, but this is definitely not for a family pack. Just look at that sheerness. It has so much, it's so patchy on here. I'm gonna take the concoction I made, which is this one right here. Is not as orange I want it to be, but I want to take a little bit more yellow. And mix it in, and then go in and oh, got the red black. Gonna definitely have to scrub my face. I know, why did I do that? I know I'm very late to do this Halloween look, but it's better late than never. Like I said, it's just a lot of things are going on in my life right now. Not bad, actually pretty good. It's just I didn't have the time to get the things that I need. I actually got this today. Now I'm going to remove just see, yeah, just where I'm gonna put white. I'm not gonna put that as orange. I'm actually gonna make it to be white. Where the teeth are. Uh, Sorry guys, that's had. So I'm just removing where the teeth will be. And that's it. That's how. Well, this is my pumpkin, so I can make it look however I want to. Alright, so now I'm gonna put some of this white, which is in the bottom, and stipple them on here. I'm gonna do the rest of the teeth part, and I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. So this is how it ended up looking. I got this fake blood in the same kit. The funny thing I just realized is that my fingers will not get. I'm hoping this is not stained. So this is my look for Halloween. Just this evil pumpkin. Just eat you. So this is, even though my hair, I don't have any wigs. I was not prepared for this. I was not planning on doing this. This was a absolute last minute, but all the blood just dripping everywhere. All the shit, they're fighting to get free, but as you could tell, they were tasty. I'm hoping all this shit comes off seamlessly, and that's because I gotta go to work tomorrow. Hopefully this all come out, but if you like this video so far, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, at least for my fingers' sake, because I do have to work tomorrow, and I work with my hands. I work in the hospital, so I'm hoping this will come off with nail polish remover. Maybe in the shower, I don't know, but please give me a big thumbs up if you like this look. This blood definitely dries down, and it looks so real. Just especially how it looks like it coagulates. It looks so real. But make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. This is my first time ever doing anything crazy like this. I usually do either kitty or witch or something simple. I've never done anything like this, especially nothing with fake blood. My fingers are all stained. Hope and pray. Hope and pray. All of the fake blood does not stain my skin on my body. I'm okay with my fingers. I can always wear gloves. But tomorrow might be a makeup day. But if you like this video, make sure you give this a big thumbs up. It's still Halloween, so let me know how you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.